Good morning everyone. Today we are going to make heart-shaped earrings like these ones or like this one or like these ones where one shape of a heart repeat two or three times in different manner, and this is my most popular design. I have sold this design many times, and to show you what I mean, these designs are also made by few of my customers, and you can see that I can stop and show you. So I'm talking about this design where one shape of heart repeats three times, and it forms a sort of long uh, earring shape like this one. So today we are going to start and make something similar to this earring. So for this, these are very popular, so we are going to go into our Illustrator and turn on our guides. So guides which will put the design in the center, and my 2x2 box, 2x2 inches box, and these are the constraints of the box, so I know that the design is right in the middle of this area. So it is 2 inches high and 2 inches wide. So again, I have created here, this is our working file. So I have created so many hearts, but I'm going to create one today again, just to show you how to make a good design and good design of a good and workable design of heart. So here you go. So I'm going to choose pencil tool, simple, because this tool I find easy to manipulate. So I'm just going to draw a half heart, and then again I'm going to select this, and I'm going to reduce the number of anchor points, these points, and you can see this line is not smooth. So to make a smoother design, I will go to path, object, path, and then simplify. So now I will turn on the preview. Now you can see that in the original design I had 7 points, and in this design I have 3 points new. So new, I'm going to accept that, and so now this shape is more smoother and nicer, and it is more cut machine friendly. Now I'm going to make this heart really symmetrical. I'm going to select these end points, and I will align them here in the align section. So, and I'm going to align these 2 points. So this is my heart shape, and now I'm going to reflect this heart shape. So I will have a copy, and with the arrow keys on the keyboard I'm going to bring it to the other side here. Now I will turn off my guide so you can see what's going on. Here you can see now these I'll just two separate lines. So to join them, first of all I will align them again by selecting align to section and vertical align here. So now I know that they are opposite to each other perfectly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select my direct selection tool like this and hover over these only 2 points which I want to join, and I will choose from pencil menu, I can choose join tool. Now these, and I hover over it and it will join and make a shape. And the beauty of using this tool is that now you can see there is only 1 point, so I'm not worried about so many points. So now I'm going to go to the lower part of the design right here, and again deselect everything, select the direct selection tool, select only these 2 points, and then go to pencil menu, select join tool, and then join them like that. So now you can see how my shape is looking. So this shape is ready to go. This shape is now ready to go. Now just for, I will just bring the size down a little bit like this, and I will make a copy of it. So I will always have this copy if I destroy this shape for any reason. And now I'm going to change it from stroke, here it is a stroke, you can see this is a 1 point line, and change it to fill. So now, and we will check in our working file, we can see that this is a path on which we are going to work right here. So this is a very simple design which I'm going to make, and again I'll show you my grid. As I said, that this pink box, this right here, is a 2 into 2 inch here, 2 into 2 inch wide and tall square, and this is my parameter where I have to finish my design. So the final earring is going to be 2 inches high and 2 inches wide, or small or big, but at least it will be in this confine. So we are trying to match the actual size of the earring to the drawing, so therefore I put this design. So now I'm going to just make this heart align to heartboard first. Let's see what we can do. Now this is just a heart. Now you can see here the variety of designs, incredible what you cannot do with this one heart shape. You can make it smaller, larger, and I have whole bundles of heart shapes which sell a lot on Valentine's Day. You can see what you cannot do with this one tiny heart shape. So we are going to make a beautiful earring today by using a cutout, heart cutout within a heart shape. So I'm going to make a copy just to be on the safe side. What I'm going to do is to Control C and Control F, copy and paste over it. I'm going to change the color so you can see what I'm talking about. So I have this one shape on the other shape, same shape. So what I'm going to do is reduce the size of the first shape and bring it down a little bit, right in the middle. You are the designer, these are the tools, these all things, drawings and everything is a tool. You be creative and think what you can do and how you are going to create the design. So this is my process and this is my design, so I'm just going with that. So first of all we will align these two shapes and we are going to cut first. And the good thing is that I'm planning to put 3 shapes like that on top of each other in 2 inches. So like this, like this. Just for the fun of it, I'll put today one more, make it 4. So, or make it 3. I think 4 will be fine. So now all these shapes are aligned right in the middle of the artboard. Now I can play with these shapes. I can use 3 shapes like this and make it bigger. 3 is a number which is an odd number, and usually in our design school we are told to use odd numbers, because 4, if you choose 4, it makes it look boring. So people recommend that use odd numbers, so 3, 5, 7. So I'm going to use 3. I have this as my record. So now I can see I have some shape. If I cut this heart out, how it is going to look, right? So how this earring is going to look, it is going to look like one of these earrings, and then it will be a nice good design. So maybe we will use this. So now we have some idea that this is how I'm going to, our design is how this is going to look like. So now I'm just going to do Control Z, delete these, and make this design first properly aligned and cut. I just want to make this heart a little bit smaller. So now I can use this basic shape to replicate, and I will finish this basic shape. So I'll select both of these hearts and go to minus front, Pathfinder minus front, and here you go. This is my shape right here. Now I can replicate this shape. First of all, always keep aligning. I can hit Alt and click on my mouse and replicate. Here you go, one, and then one more time, Alt, Control, Alt, click, right click of the mouse and replicate. So here you go. And I'm just going to do align to selection, vertical align them, and distribute the objects vertically, distribute them evenly, so they are nice and even, distributed nice and evenly. So this is my shape ready. Okay, so, and this is my earring, which is also ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm happy with this shape. I'm going to select these hearts and object, expand, unite, object, expand, unite from the Pathfinder. So now this is one shape. Now we are going to worry about the jump ring hole. So what my theory is, I want to always put extra material around the jump ring hole, and therefore I'm going to add extra circle or design around it. And again, for jump ring hole, I'm going to choose a different color. I always choose 0.10 or 0.11 because this is a good size and it works with the design very well. And I'm going to put this in the middle, and again align to the artboard, line like that, and make this whole back circle a little bit better. And now align everything in the middle with the align artboard tool here. So you can see now this is how big this earring will be in real life, somehow 2-inch tall. Now everything is aligned and everything is in the middle of the artboard, so I know if I punch this hole here, it will be a nice good place. So, and first of all I'm going to, and I added extra material around the first heart here. Now I'm going to select this one and select this one, and object, expand, unite. Now this is one shape right here, one shape, and I'm going to punch this jumping hole inside this heart. So here you go, select both of these shapes and minus front from Pathfinder. So here you go, our earring is ready, and it is 2 inches tall and about ½ inch wide, so it's okay. So now you can see I will turn off my grid and you can see the design clearly. Now we will save this as an SVG, and then we can sell it on our shops, like this bundle, like this design. But this is how basically you make this design. So everyone, I thank you that you joined me today, and this design is going to be available in my shops today, so I will leave the link in the description. Secondly, please like, subscribe and share this video, and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification when I'm going to post the video. And thank you very much for joining us today.